Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And today I'll be teaching you how to customize your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you need to go into the settings icon. Once you're in, scroll down to the themes option, and when you enter, it will probably ask you to update the themes app, so go ahead and update it. Right after that, it will ask you to sign in with a Samsung account. And if you don't have a Samsung account, there's an option that says Continue with Google. There, you click on that option and you'll create a Samsung account using your own Google account that's on your phone. This way, now we can already download Jeans. We're going to click on Themes, select this option, click here, and set it to free so that only the free themes show up. So you'll look for a theme you want. Remember, if a theme has video written on it, that means it's a theme with a moving background on the lock screen. If the theme also has animation written on it, like it does here, those are themes with a moving background on the lock screen as well. You'll click this button, and now we wait for the download to finish. After the download, we'll click Apply to install the theme. And once the theme is downloaded, you'll click here on Apply. Okay, we clicked on Apply. Let's wait a bit. Done. We've finished installing the theme. The theme will now be applied to your phone. From what I can see, I need to wait a little longer here. It's applying something else on my phone. Okay. The theme installation is complete. Apparently, it's a theme for women, but the theme is installed. You will choose the theme you like. The theme has movement on the lock screen, like I told you, themes that say video or animation. There's movement on the lock screen. And now let's go back to the option we were at before. Okay, I'll have to go back into the settings icon. Hang on a second. Let me go into settings here. And now I'll scroll down to the themes option, where we were before. If you don't like the background, the wallpaper that comes with this theme, you can click here on wallpaper. You'll click on this option. We click here and select free, so that only the wallpapers that are free will show up. So if you didn't like the wallpaper that comes with your theme, you can come here to download and install a new one. For another wallpaper, I'll click on Apply, and now it asks you where you want to apply it. Only on the lock screen, only on the home screen. Okay, only on the home screen, only on the lock screen, or on both screens. I'll apply it to both screens. Now I click Next here, so we can zoom in, adjust the image, and click here to confirm. Okay. If you also don't have the icons that came with your theme, you can click here on the icons option. Click here, then we click on this option, free, so that only the free icons appear. And here, so you can choose an icon pack for your theme, okay? I'll click on this one here, we'll download it, this one, and now we'll apply the icon pack. Okay, it's installing. And done. As you can see, it really matches the wallpaper I applied to this theme, and the icons also match quite well. Just a reminder, this is a theme for women. I hadn't noticed that. But anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did help, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comment down below. And if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.